ngayon sa Circular Quay, Wharf number 5. Eto na, padating na ang aming ferry. Pasakay kami dito, sa ferry na to, magronda. Magro-ronda kami. Yan, napakalaking ferry. Akala nyo, ferry lang, hindi maliit yun. Dito ay napakalaki, parang vapor din. Parang vapor, yan. Papasok kami dyan. Tapos, doon ako sa taas kasi mag-review ako. Mamaya, magre-record ako. Ito ang buong station. Wharf number 5 ito. Yan. Yan yung, yung harbor bridge na binilakad namin. Ito, on the other side, andito rin yung isang ferry. Pero itong ferry na kukunin namin, yung magro-ronda lang. Hindi yung pangmalayo. Magro-ronda lang. Yun na, oh. Yun na. Papasok na kami. Yan. Okay. Ito ang ferry. Naglalabasan ng mga pasaheros. Ipapasok na rin yung iba. You see how windy it is? It is very windy. Look. It is so refreshing and relaxing right here now. Look at the buildings at my back, and we are moving. We are actually at the upper deck of the ferry, so you can see everything. Yeah, and that is the famous center point. You can see that one, the center point. Yes. Okay. So that's another portion of our Nakapasyal this time.
It's fine.
Okay, we are leaving Circular Quay and we are inside now on board the ferry going around the city. Yeah. Look, we are moving now and you can see the background here, the buildings, the opera house on the other side, and we are now moving, roaming around. There are not much people in the ferry, actually. Not many, unlike before. Now it is so crowded. But this time, it's really controlled yet because it's just getting back to normal. So people are still at home there, and then they are still getting the feel of going out. But because we had a good day with the massage that they had, and it is very close to this place, so we took the chance of roaming already. And it's just very close to each other here. We have the ferries, we have the train, we have the tram. So we're taking advantage of the closeness of the place. And you can see there on that side, you can see the harbor bridge that I was shooting earlier. So it's just very close now. It's just very away, wave away. Yes. This is another small ferry there. You can see smaller, but the ferry we are in now is a bit bigger, and that will go around the city circle by water. Right. So we are going to different places, like different stops, just around the city. So as soon as we get to different areas, different stops, then I will show you. You can get off, you can get in to the ferry on and off, and it's fine. Because once you pay already by your Opal card, ito ang Opal card, ipapakita ko. Ayan, ang Opal card, once you use that to get in to the ferry, ito ang Opal. Once you tap this in the machine, you can use it already the whole time, the whole day. You don't need to keep paying.
To pay.
Actually, you need to load this from time to time. But I still have a load since last year and it worked. So that's what I used today. And now look, we are very close to the harbor bridge. We are going underneath the harbor bridge. You see?